almost the perfect NEET result of almost 67 individuals that have been reported. Questions are being raised over that.
Absolutely. So from allegations of paper leak to now some rigging that has taken place in the exams and the results, the opposition leaders have now intensified their demand for scrapping the NEET examinations. Remember, in Tamil Nadu, it was a huge issue with DMK saying it is an anti-poor examination. So immediately after the results came out, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin taking to Twitter to say trends emerging from the latest NEET results have once again vindicated our principled opposition to the exam. Issues such as question paper leaks, clustering of toppers at specific centres and award of marks which are mathematically impossible under the guise of grace marks highlight the pitfalls of the current union government centralization. These events emphasize the need to restore the preeminent state governments and school education system's role in determining criteria for professional course selection. We iterate, and he has put out a few points as well, saying NEET and the other entrance examinations are anti-poor, they undermine federal polity, they are against social justice, and they impact the availability of doctors in deserving areas. Let's join hands to eradicate this malady. That day is not far. That's what M.K. Stalin has said. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra as well tweeting on the same, saying first the NEET exam paper was leaked. Now the students are alleging that there has been a scam in the results as well. Serious questions are being raised over 6 students from the same center getting 720 out of 720 marks, and many kinds of irregularities that are now coming to light. On the other hand, there are also reports of many children committing suicide across the country. Why is the government ignoring the voice of lakhs of students? Students want answers to legitimate questions related to the rigging in the NEET exam results. Is it not the government's responsibility to investigate and resolve these legitimate complaints? Ashok Gehlot as well. Remember, in Rajasthan as well, there had been several paper leaks. It was one of the key issues. A lot of anger against Ashok Gehlot when he was the chief minister. He has also taken to Twitter to say candidates have raised suspicions of malpractice, first regarding the NEET exam and now regarding its result. In the result, many children from the same center got full marks. This is a question of the future of lakhs of children and the credibility of the medical profession, and hence the central government and the NTA should take it seriously, investigate it and ensure justice for all.